So today I'm trying the BTS meal with a twist. I basically added some add-ons. So I got some honey barbecue fried chicken thighs and also got some shake-up fries instead of the normal fries, but everything else is still the BTS meal. So I've got, yeah, the BTS meal pretty much with the purple BTS logo. So I'm gonna give a quick shot of the food and then I'm gonna get on with it. The BTS meal, we got the fries, we got the Cajun sauce and the sweet chili sauce, the 9 McNuggets right here, looking fresh. And this is where things get a bit different. So I got the milkshake fries with the honey barbecue flavored seasoning, where I just put the fries basically in this bag and then just shake it up. And then I got additional crispy honey barbecue thighs. That's literally glistening, so yeah, I'm ready to try this meal. Yeah, and then I got the oh, it actually says Bora here. So I think Bora Sek is like purple. So I think this is like representing BTS, like something for like the fans, I guess, the army. So yeah, Bora here. So yeah, I'm gonna get on with the eating. So yeah, let's get on with the video. First, I'm gonna do the shake fries with the honey barbecue seasoning. So just dash it in like this. This is a fail. I don't know why the fries come in this weird packaging. Like, honestly, they could have just done the normal packaging. But yeah, gonna put the. So now I'm gonna do the shake-up fries with the honey barbecue seasoning. Oh yeah, and the BTS meal in Hong Kong costs around $55 Hong Kong dollars, which is around like £5 something in British pounds. And I did the add-on, so with the shake-up fries and the amazing crispy chicken thighs, I came up to a total of 100 Hong Kong dollars, but that's because of the delivery as well. So I think the meal is only $88. This is around like £8 something. So yeah, I'm gonna be really excited to try the Cajun sauce because you don't get this in the UK. I believe this is only in Korea, hence the BTS meal. So yeah, so without further ado, let's get on with the eating. So let's try the nugget first. I've never tried the Cajun sauce before, as I've said. So I'm really excited to see how it tastes. It's kind of salty, kind of got a little kick to it. Kind of what I expected, but the sweet chili sauce, I know some people are going to be hating me on this, but I watched the Bending video and I couldn't agree more with him that the sweet chili sauce, like, it has no chili in it. It doesn't taste like sweet chili sauce. It's got no spice. It's got no kick to it. So it's kind of like a jam kind of flavor. So I think the Cajun sauce is definitely better. On to the honey barbecue fries. So this is where these two items are where it kind of deviates from the BTS meal. So I'm gonna give it a try without dipping it in any sauce first. Yeah, it just tastes like the kind of artificial honey barbecue sauce that you get in the UK or like in America. So yeah, I'm gonna now probably switch back to face cam. What I'm really happy about is that I've customized the fries. I believe, I'm not sure if they have this in Korea, but in Hong Kong, they have the McShaker fries, where they have like 3 different seasonings. One's like zesty tomato, and the other is seaweed seasoning, which I've tried already, which is really good. And then this one is honey barbecue. It's actually really hot. I think today it's like 30 something degrees. I'm actually stuck in quarantine. I know there's aircon in here, but I've got like the curtains open, so I still feel like the heat radiating through the windows. It's that hot out here. But yeah, I really like the fries. I'm into that like artificial seasoning. So yeah, I'm gonna try dipping the Cajun and the sweet chili together. See how that goes. Damn. These chicken thighs are glistening, so I'm really intrigued. I've been looking at this since like the start. I really want to try it out. So here's the drumstick. Yeah, it's literally shiny. So, wow. Jesus. Gotta cut that out. So without further ado, let's get a sip of this Sprite real quick. There you go. So without further ado, let's try this drumstick out. Mmm. Mm. Mm. Yo, these drumsticks hit different. Also, in my opinion, I know it's called the BTS meal. Like, they probably wanted to make this a unified decision between the members. But imagine like every member had their own meal, like the RM meal. Well, it doesn't even have to be like the J-Hope burger or the Jungkook like special drink or something, or like the Jimin shake up fries or something like that. You know, adding different items together for like I don't know, it gives more variety, right? So I feel like, again, it's like a lost business opportunity, because I feel like I'm gonna put like the meme on right now. I saw on Instagram, it's like, you know the flexi tape, like in America, where you can put the flexi tape on anything and then it'll stop like the water from leaking. For example, like even on a speedboat, there's a hole in the speedboat and then they just put some flexi tape on it and then it solves everything. It feels like this is like a cash grab from McDonald's. So yeah, feels like they just use BTS branding and they know that the army will buy this regardless. So yeah, there's just like a easy way to make money. Well, hey. But damn, these chicken thighs are really good, in my opinion. Feels kind of weird because it feels like I'm eating the McShaker fries like crisps or potato chips. So yeah. Oh yeah, let's actually dip this in some Cajun sauce, see how it tastes. It has a kick. I like the Cajun sauce because I like spicy, but I'd say that spice flavor is like, I don't even know, to be honest. It's not even that spicy, like sriracha level. If you can handle sriracha, this Cajun sauce is decent. It has a little kick to it. But yeah, as I said before, like the BTS meal, I don't know. Do you feel like I'm wrong? If you like disagree, you can put in comments below. Like if you think that, yeah, this is the best that they can come up with, like McDonald's. I'm not saying this on BTS's part, by the way. This is not, because it's the McDonald's marketing team that probably responsible for this launch. So yeah, I don't know. But hopefully this little customization twist could influence you, like you all, to, if you get the BTS meal, that you could literally spice it up a little bit with some crispy thighs and some shake-up fries. The fries here come in this weird, like Dora the Explorer backpack. Some Doraemon looking ass, a little pouch. I think that they should have just added the BTS logos on this as well, but I guess that will be like complicate the things, because fries come with different meals as well. So then McDonald's is all about costs, right? Cutting the cost down. How can we make this as cheap as possible, you know? How can we just print some BTS logos on here? Print it on the cup. Print it on the box. The BTS meal. Charge a little bit more. Easy money, basically. That's how I feel like what happened. They just literally used BTS. I haven't tried the Travis Scott meal, but I'm pretty sure that doesn't really have anything special. It doesn't come with like a collectible. But if they made like collectibles, like damn, like everyone would be down. I'd buy like 20 BTS meals just to get all of the items that they give. I don't know. It could be like, because they make so much like Happy Meals, right? They manufacture those cheap toys and figurines. They could at least make some BTS figurines or some BTS like collectible like memorabilia, so people can remember it. But you know, I've been seeing some crazy stuff on Instagram. People have literally framed the McDonald's paper bags and put the meal inside a glass box. That's kind of crazy to me, but you know, everyone. See, that's why I was talking about collectibles, because what are you gonna do? Are people really gonna do this? I mean, people have done it, but like, come on, McDonald's. Well, you could have gave something, a small gesture. Yeah, something for people to like remember the BTS meal by. But damn, look at this chicken thigh. It is glistening. Look at the shine on this. Damn, son. Oh my god, look at that. This chicken is juicy. This chicken's certified, man.
Jeez.
Like literally, this chicken is. I'm no word of a lie. I'm not even exaggerating. It is juicy. This is insane. So yeah, I've been actually almost finished my quarantine now. So if people watching this like without context, why I'm in this room is because I recently flew to Hong Kong and now I'm stuck in the quarantine. It's 21 days, I know. It's a bit excessive. And in total, there are 6 tests. Like, you get tested before you come, right? As soon as you get to the airport, you get tested again. And then on day 3 of the hotel stay, you get tested again. And then on day 5 or day 7, you get tested again. Day 12, you get tested again. Day 19, you get tested again. And then, pardon me, 4 days after you leave the hotel, you get tested again. So, but yeah, I've enjoyed this meal. I've kind of let myself know, like my insights on this meal, like as in what could have been improved. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below if you thought this was like McDonald's cash grab, which I wink, I think it is. Using like BTS as a way to make more money that McDonald's already has. I mean, obviously BTS got paid a big fat check as well for this like sponsorship kind of thing, for this collaboration. But I feel like if there was a separate meal for every member and then there's some collectibles for the fans, for the army, then that would have probably made McDonald's stock go to the moon, quite literally. But yeah, if you enjoyed this video, please give it a like. Comment down below if you agree with my kind of review or insight of it. And yeah, subscribe if you haven't already, and see you on the next video.